Hello everybody, I was just about to do a little video on how to use Priceways. So I'm thinking about going into Priceways, maybe starting with the $10 a month hosting fee because I don't have a lot of demand at the moment and it's a good place to start from. I did try their free product, which is right here, which I'm probably going to go into and set up again if I can. I did use their free product. It's something like free for 3 days, I think. We'll get into that in a moment. And I used it for 1 day and I was just blown away by the speed of the internal system. So it's really, really interesting in the fact that not only do they have this $10 a month, which is pretty good, especially if you can have a client paying you $100 a month for updates and management, then you've got everything covered. And we have these different options for their data centers, and we also have they also have an hourly rate, which is pretty good for costing that works as pay as you go. So it is pretty interesting, and I'm going to take a look at creating this again, because what had happened was I had a video, sorry, not a video, I had a site at minimalistlogodesign.com. And my web host transferred web hosts from one small company locally here in Ontario to another small company somewhere different in Ontario, unless they're in Quebec. And somehow or another, I mean, I trust the guy, but we somehow lost all the content in my blog. So this particular site is now down at the moment. So I was going to think about starting it up. I'm going to start it up on Cloudways for a month or two and see how it goes. So he actually logged in. This is a single HTML page, just has the word empty. He was able to drop that on the server of the new host. And I'm going to try and take a look and sign up on Cloudways. That's what I wanted to say, Cloudways. So let's click on, well, I could log in. I'm going to click Start Free so you can see what happens. And on Start Free, you can sign in using LinkedIn or GitHub or Google, which is always nice. Got my name and last name pre-filled in. I could describe myself as an agency, e-commerce, blogger, freelancer, developer. So you can choose those. I don't know. I'm 1 or 3 or all of these things. I need to improve my reliability and uptime, definitely, maybe budgeting too, and my hosting budget is probably 0 to 50 a month. So that's exactly what I want, and you agree to the terms and service. So I'm going to sign into my account, and I already have an account, so I'm going to log in here. And this is what we see. Look at that, predicts a 35% surge in e-commerce sales this Black Friday. That was 2 months ago, or not 2 months ago, sorry, that was 2 weeks ago or more. So you definitely want to, they definitely did keep up on that. But here I am, going to log in. And that could be a little bit faster. And my trial account has expired. Okay, so I guess I had that trial account for 3 days, and that was over a week ago. For a limited time, we're offering absolutely free migration worth $250. Upgrade your account now to avail this opportunity. This should say something like avail yourself to this opportunity. There's a lot of poor editing on the web these days. So I'm going to upgrade my account. Add yen. Interesting. All right, so I always take a look and see who on earth I'm paying money to. So let me fill this out. And there we go. I have started this journey of upgrading our delightful account, upgrading our account to start our delightful journey with them. So they have stolen taken my payment. Oh, I can close this now. And there we go. Good. I've got my billing information. They do have an affiliate program, but because I am so new and still have a very low number of followers, they probably won't accept me. So I will probably apply for that some other time in the future, but I can look at the account area and we've got stuff going on. Maybe I won't do that. I'm going to go straight for servers. I have no servers. Going to go to applications. I have no applications, but I'm probably going to choose WordPress and see how that goes. It ain't no fun to work alone. I don't have any team members. And projects. I have one project. That was my development site for Ragged Left Printing. Oh, they do have a refer and get $20. So even if I don't get accepted as an affiliate, I can refer and luckily hopefully get $20. So I will leave this link below in the video, and you can, if you decide to sign up with Cloudways, please use that link and it'll help me out with about 20 bucks. And then you too can create a referral link as well. Oh, what's new? I'm just going to go to applications and choose launch. I'm actually just making stuff up here. Choose my application because I've never done this before, and I am just about to head out to pick up my kids, and then I'll have to come back to the video. WordPress, well, WordPress version 5.4.2 is outdated already, but because it's up to 5.6 now. Then we have WooCommerce, so I could do 5.4.2 with WooCommerce, and I can do custom PHP apps, Laravel, or Magento, or Magento, or Magento. It's Magento, and they're alternative to, essentially, they're an alternative to WooCommerce. What am I going to choose? No optimization, not multi-version. I don't need multi-site WordPress, which is kind of cool, but not for minimalist logo design. And right now I don't need WooCommerce, but I am interested in seeing what they're going to do. So I'll just choose this one with WooCommerce. There we go. Name of my managed app. It's the name of my code name. Name your managed server. I will call it MLD. That sounds good to me. Select my product. Can I make a new project? No, I already have a project. Just a way to sort and categorize. You may create a dummy project for now. You can always change the name. Okay, so I'll just put it in that project for now. Now you have to know a little bit about the different types of hosts that are available. So it's definitely not for the faint of heart or those that don't know anything about computers or technology. Please select a server in your location. I am actually in Canada, so I have to choose from Toronto. And look at that, $22 a month instead of $10 a month. So I wonder if this is added to the money that I would have to pay, but I might go hourly, which is good. DigitalOcean is also very highly recommended. One of the fastest growing clouds. So they've got high performance solid state drives and 7 data centers across 3 countries. So choose DigitalOcean if you need cheap host with an almost unlimited bandwidth and smaller servers. So that's a possibility. I actually don't need 2 gigabytes. I'm going to go down to 1, and we see how that price is $10 a month, and definitely cheaper per hour. And I think that 1 gig of RAM for this website at the moment is going to be enough. But you can see how it scales all the way up, and I'm not going to pay $1,000 a month. I do not need that kind of bandwidth right now. Linode, I don't know much about it, but I do know it is popular. So they have 8 data centers across 3 regions. If you want always-on performance, so that's $24 a month or $12 a month. So it's $12 more for Linode. Vultr at the 1 gig is $11. And we see that Vultr is the most economical cloud with most locations. Unlimited bandwidth across 13 locations. Well, that's pretty amazing. And of course, we all know about Amazon, but Amazon is $36.51 a month. It is interesting to know. So it just starts with the small 2 CPUs and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So it's actually more powerful than the baseline of DigitalOcean for more price. But if you sign up for a free version of, if you sign up for an account with AWS, you have access to what's known as a micro server. And that is part of their free tier. And if you're just getting started, you could sign up for their free tier. You get your free tier for 1 year. So if you want more information on that, please leave a comment down below. And if you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and a subscribe, and you'll see more content like this. I'm highly technical, so I may do these more kind of technical things instead of more end user-ish type of videos. And of course, the alternative to AWS is Google Cloud Platform, and we see that prices there. So we can always go extra large. Nope, not going to pay that. Nope, we're just beginning. So this is all the choice I can have. I can choose storage, and all this is going to improve, it's going to go higher and raise our prices. I'm going to go with DigitalOcean with 1 gigabyte. And I'm going to say that I'm in Toronto. And that is all. So now let's launch it and see what happens. Give me my link again. That's awesome. Do I have any rewards? No rewards yet. That's very cool to keep track of it though. So I'm going to put this on Facebook right now and see what happens. First, I'm going to copy the link just in case it screws up. Go to Facebook. See what it's going to make me say. Sign up now. Sure, I'll do that. And then I'll have to post it to my Facebook page separately. This is my personal account. And that's it. I'll probably add that to LinkedIn soon too. Your high-speed application will be ready in approximately 7 minutes. So I'll come back in 7 minutes. Or I can watch this video on how to migrate, but I will wait for 7 minutes. Now, actually, just as an added bonus, I logged into the back end and I've already updated it from 5.4 to 5.6 for the newest WordPress installation, and it was super fast. So we also have the setup wizard for WooCommerce, and I know that's going to ask me a bunch of questions, so I am going to skip that for now. Then we have the design the store because it's already plugged in, and we have some settings that now need to be updated. So WooCommerce can be updated, so we're going to say update now. And that's done. So it didn't actually take there very long. It is actually a busy time for the internet right now, but their service was pretty fast. I'm going to delete the Hello Dolly plugin because I don't need it. There is Breeze running, a WordPress cache plugin with extensive options to speed up, including varnish. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, won't change any of that now. We'll take a look at it later. Bot protection from WordPress Security by Malcare Security. Okay, we'll update that one. I'll have to look into that in more detail because I don't usually use it. But to find out more information, you can always click on the View Details button. And we have Anti-Spam by Akismet. I'm going to delete that because I don't need it right now. And I'm not going to pay for the key. So that's it. We've got all the other things going on here. Under Appearance, I can check out themes, and you'll see that there is it's set up with a new storefront. It did set me up with 2021 at first, and it is recommended that you delete all the other themes that you don't need. So just in case there ever becomes some sort of vulnerability that attackers can make use of, this one does not look like I need any of these, so I will delete that one too. But we'll just verify this is not active right now, but I am going to use it. Oh, I will update the WooCommerce theme. It's the storefront theme. It's done, which is awesome. Here's the theme. Storefront is the perfect theme for your next WooCommerce. It's version 3. It's by Automatic, which are the WordPress people. And we have 2 columns, left and right sidebar, custom background, custom colors, custom header. Okay, so it's got a bunch of custom stuff. That's great. Maybe we'll leave it that way. And we can come up here to the admin bar and I can visit the site, see what it looks like. There's our site. That's pretty cool. That's pretty simple. And no products in the cart, so I can click on the cart page. Nothing there, still there. Got our sample page. Pretty simple, built with WooCommerce. And we got our homepage, back to the homepage. Right, same links as before. Now when we go back to our admin section, which includes back, or just put your mouse over the admin bar again and go back to the dashboard. And now I can go back up here and go to the store directly, and the store is not active yet. All right, sounds good. So maybe I'll do another video once everything's set up. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for visiting, and check out blackinktraining.com and see if there's anything interesting you like over there. Thanks, and have a good one.